Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page. This video is specific for Atlantic theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, I already have a playlist where I have published a lot of videos with different themes. Now the first step is that you should download the code. I have already given the code link below in the description. Once you are opening it, you will be finding these files. You should open document.txt. Inside of it, I have already given all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. Here is the current situation of our store. You can see that I have 3 products with different color variants, but only single color is displaying on my collection pages. Go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see I have installed Atlantic theme. You should click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. We have some files and folders here, so you should follow the documentation. The first step is like create a new snippet, color dash variant. You should copy the name from here and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here and click on done. Next step is create another new snippet. The name of that is color dash product dash item. Copy the name from here and click on add a new snippet, paste the name here and click on done. Now we need to paste the attached code color dash variant.txt. You should copy this complete code and paste it inside of color dash variant.liquid and then click on save and close the file. Again we have another code color dash product dash item.liquid. Copy this complete code from here and paste it inside of this file and save the changes and close the file. Now the third step is like go to sections, open static dash collection.liquid. Here you should search static dash collection.liquid. You should find here inside product dash item. So using Control F or maybe Command F, you will be able to find it. Here you can see that it has been highlighted. So you should replace these 2 words with color dash variant. So here we have product dash item and replace it with color dash variant. Click on save and then close the file. Now we need to refresh this page again. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the colors displayed on the collection page. So that's how you can actually put the same feature into your store by just copy and pasting the code. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.